How do you turn off the screen dimming on the iPad? Let me explain it. And if it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get into it. So you can go to the settings and first of all, tap on the accessibility settings within the main settings app. And you can go in here to the display and text size. At the bottom, you can see we have the auto brightness, which is obviously the automatic brightness selector based on the sensors and your environment. It might bump up the brightness when you're outdoors, for example, and lower it down when you are in a darker environment. And if you don't like this, if you don't like the automatic dimming and so on, you're going to turn off the auto brightness in here and it's not going to happen. The next thing you might be interested in is part of the display and brightness section. So not accessibility, but the main display and brightness. And below we have the auto lock feature, which is essentially the time period of inactivity after which the iPad screen is going to be like dimmed and locked. And me personally, I have it set to 15 minutes, but you might be using it at 2 minutes, which might be too short. And you notice that the iPad goes black and is dimming way too quickly, right? So you can change it to 15 minutes, for example. So that's another thing you might want to check out. And last but not least, it might happen that if you're doing something very intensive with your iPad, like playing some really hard games, right? Or 3D graphics, exporting videos, whatever. And if the iPad gets too hot, like if it's overheating, then it might cause the display to lower down the brightness, but it's like a safety measure, a safety feature, and there's nothing you can do about it outside of just cooling the iPad, right? So you might also notice that if you're doing like playing games, the screen might dim a little bit, but it's not controllable. It has nothing to do with the brightness in here. And there isn't really much to do about it. So yeah, that's all I wanted to explain. And let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. I'm gonna wrap it up and I'll see you in the future videos.